I wasn't originally going to film this unboxing, but I partially opened it and I'm already very impressed. So I ordered 2 Hoya cuttings from an eBay shop called Zensability. Let's see what we got. I already noticed these pretty colors. And it came with a little care sheet. And it also came with the invoice. Aw, so pretty. I love these papers. Yeah, Wayeti, that's one of the ones I ordered. Oh, pretty yellow and pink paper on Australis. Yeah. And there we go. That's just packaging. What is this? I'll put the camera down and open that one. And here's what we got. A string of pearls, and I have no idea what this is. But I'll root it up. So these were bonus plants. Awesome. Thank you. Okay, let's do Australias from Australia originally. I don't know which type of Australias this is. There's so many of them, but I have one now, so let's open it. Okay, here they are. 2 cuttings. Here's the other one. Okay, they look nice. Now Wayeti. Here we go. Okay, this shop is great because I ordered 2, is what the description said, and I see 3. Now what I liked about Wayeti is that it's green leaves, but it's got a dark green edge, which almost makes it look like it's got a black trim around it, which is pretty cool. They all look nice. Oh, this is a big one. That's a big cutting. You can see the black trim. Pretty cool. Okay, let's get these potted up. So I think this year is going to be the year of Hoyas. Today is February 3rd, 2020, and here are just some of the cuttings that I have. This one here is Hoya archiboldiana, and I am using the water rooting method that was suggested by Doug Chamberlain from Vermont Hoya's channel. And it's getting little roots on it already. This one is an unknown, probably some kind of pubicalyx. And in the blue cup, also another pubicalyx. Got a big carrii here. The carrii was this big 5-foot plant. I guess I should have shown that before cutting it up. It was pretty impressive, but I had to cut it into little pieces. Hopefully that'll start to take root soon. And here are the 2 cuttings that I just got from Zensability. I think they're going to do really well. I've got Hoyas and cuttings everywhere right now because we're in our winter season and temperatures are not stable here in Central Florida, Tampa Bay area. Things are like, sometimes they get up into the 70s during the day and they're nice, and you get lows in the 50s, but then you get nights where it gets into the 30s and it's just insane. So I'm just gonna leave everything inside until spring is officially here. And got some carrii and a carnosa cutting up there. This is Hoya carnosa strawberries and cream, because it comes with 3 colors. It's green, white, and pink. That should be kind of pretty. Not really into carnosas, but I had one years ago that someone gave me as a cutting, and it got big, and then I left it out one of our winters and lost it, so I wanted it back. Okay, now I've got some Hoyas mixed in here with all the other plants. This one here is Cinnamomfolia, and that's one I used to have a long time ago, and I also lost it, unfortunately, but I'm so glad I got it back. And this is one that I've been wanting for a long time. This is Gold Star, and this is one of the ones that other shop I mentioned sold to me, and it was a regular Carnosa, and basically I got ripped off, and I will never buy from them again. They have terrible reviews on Dave's Garden Watchdog. This is Dischidia ovata. It's the one that looks like watermelon leaves. And a Hoya Carrii Splash. Over on this table I have different cuttings. I've got Hoya Obscura, which is doing well. I lost some of the cuttings even though they had roots, but this one I think was going to recover and do well. This is Hoya Laterbachi. It's supposed to get a giant flower, and it's got little fuzzy leaves. There you go. You can see the velvet on the edge here, right there. It's really cute and soft, fun to touch. This round one is Obovata. My Obovata is weird. It doesn't look like the ones I see photos of on Google Images. I see a lot of them that are dark green with little white splotches, and mine doesn't have the white splotches. And then here's the parent plant of the Archibaldiana. And then we got this guy here, which is Hoya glabra. And then the one in the back is my Hoya, I think it's a latifolia. So those are my Hoyas for today and the unboxing. And I will have another video up soon because I'm going to be getting a special order in today that deserves its own unboxing. And lastly, here are the two little cuttings potted up. I'm not going to do the water method on them because succulents root very easily. So we've got the little string of pearls. I hope it'll get big and long and cute. And then we've got this one that I don't know what it is. So if anyone can ID this one for me, I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with this eBay store. And I'll definitely be buying from them again since they have other Hoyas that I don't have yet. So that is the short update. Des from Scary Fear, signing off.